Most people think they're ready for a crisis until they realize their gear is garbage. Cheap tools, dead batteries, filters that don't filter, the stuff that fails when failing isn't an option. This lineup is different. Every single item here has been handpicked because it actually works when conditions get ugly. You'll find links in the description for everything we cover, so lock those in before they sell out. Let's get into it. $8. That's what stands between you and one of the most versatile survival tools ever made. GeGeDa 550 Paracord is military spec Type 3 with a 9-strand inner core, each strand woven from 3 separate yarns, giving you a total static strength of 550 pounds. You get 100 feet per spool, enough for shelter, ridge lines, bear hangs, snare lines, emergency tourniquets, gear lashing, clotheslines. The list genuinely never ends. This is the cord that won't snap when your weight is hanging from it on a cliff edge or your tourniquet needs to hold under real pressure. Backed by an unconditional lifetime warranty and at $8 a spool, there's no excuse for not having this in every single bag you own, period. You can survive weeks without food. Without clean water, you're looking at days, maybe 3 if you're lucky. The LifeStraw Peak Solo strips out 99.99999% of bacteria, 99.99% of parasites, and 99.99% of microplastics. It weighs just 1.7 ounces, threads onto any standard 28mm bottle, and pushes just over 3 quarts per minute through the filter. One filter lasts roughly 528 gallons before needing replacement. And here's the part that actually matters beyond your own survival. Every single LifeStraw purchase funds a full year of safe drinking water for a child in need. If your bug-out bag has room for one item, a water filter should be it. And this is the one you want, $22 for what could legitimately keep you alive. Water is covered, but what happens when temperatures drop and you need to warm up, cook a meal, or signal for help? Fire. Everything starts and ends with fire. Matches get soaked. Lighters run dry. A ferro rod? That thing works every single time, rain or shine, winter or summer. The Wolf and Grizzly fire set throws sparks at 5,400 degrees Fahrenheit consistently on the first strike. The ferrocerium rod features a generous strike zone for maximum spark coverage, and it's rated for 20,000 strikes. That's literally decades of reliable fire starting before it ever wears down. The striker itself is made from premium knife-grade steel and can be sharpened like any quality blade. Even the 550 Paracord handle has jute tinder woven right into the braid, meaning the lanyard itself is a fire-starting tool. This is the benchmark, easily one of the best ferro rod setups on the market. Now that you've got fire handled, you need something to process wood, prepare game, and handle 100 other camp tasks. A solid blade is non-negotiable. There's no replacing a dependable fixed blade in any serious survival setup, and the CRKT Clever Girl earns its spot without a second thought. The blade is powder-coated SK 5-carbon steel, exceptional edge retention, real strength, and solid corrosion resistance even in wet environments. That upswept blade geometry makes it a natural slicer for everything from batoning, kindling, to processing game in the field. The textured nylon handle locks into your grip even when your hands are cold, wet, or covered in grime. CRKT has been building reliable working blades for decades, and the Clever Girl might be their most versatile fixed blade in the lineup. All that for $89, which is a very fair price for a knife you'll actually trust your life to. Picking the right blade for the backcountry is always a compromise, until now. The Omniblade by Terava is a heavy-duty, full-scale, 5-in-1 multi-tool machete designed for bushcrafters, survivalists, and people who actually spend time deep in the woods. Developed and manufactured alongside a US-based edge tool company with decades of industry experience, the entire concept is about eliminating the weight and bulk of carrying 5 separate tools. One smart blade replaces them all. Terava brought this to Kickstarter and the outdoor community jumped on it immediately. It's still growing, but the engineering philosophy behind it is dead solid. Definitely one to keep an eye on. $20 tools. Credit card size, lives in your wallet. The next tool packs folding needle nose pliers, wire cutters, a knife blade, flat and cross screwdrivers, a bottle opener, 6 hex spanners, a wire stripper, a ruler, a spoke wrench, and more, all squeezed into roughly 3.2 ounces of stainless steel. The titanium-plated circuit board texture finish looks genuinely sharp, and it ships in a premium leather case that slides into your wallet without scratching your cards. This is the kind of tool you completely forget you're carrying until the one moment you desperately need it, and then it saves your day. Brilliant engineering, pocket-sized. The damage? Just $34. Good glass changes everything in the field. Spotting a threat, tracking game, scanning terrain for a route, you either see it clearly or you miss it completely. The Steiner BluHorizons sit in a class entirely their own, thanks to an exclusive auto-bright technology that automatically adjusts lens brightness based on ambient conditions. Blinding sun, bouncing off water, white snow, harsh glare, none of it matters. You just get a sharp, clean image every single time. 10 times magnification through a 42mm objective lens, a roughly 328-foot wide field of view, and fast close focus for rapid target acquisition. The waterproof housing operates from -4 degrees Fahrenheit all the way to +158. The non-slip NBR rubber armor resists oil, acid, and weather. Where budget glass folds, these keep performing. A lifetime investment for anyone who takes fieldwork seriously. When you're scanning terrain all day through optics, you're going to need serious lighting once the sun drops. And not just any headlamp. 3,000 lumens, roughly 731 feet of beam range. This isn't your average headlamp, it's a full-blown lighting system strapped to your forehead. The NEBO Transcend 3K detaches from its headband in seconds and converts into a standalone work light with a magnetic base that locks onto any metal surface. 5 light modes span from 50 lumens at 45 hours of runtime all the way up to full turbo. USB-C rechargeable with a 4,000 mAh built-in battery, IPX7 waterproof, aircraft-grade anodized aluminum construction, hard hat compatible with the included clips for industrial use. Whether you're navigating a pitch-black trail or working under a vehicle hood at night, this is the headlamp that makes everything else feel like a toy. Runs you $95. 2 in the morning. Something is moving around your campsite. Animal? Person? You have absolutely no idea because you were asleep. That's exactly the kind of scenario the Outdoor Guardian was built for. This portable motion sensor system runs on 24G millimeter wave radar, not heat detection, so wind, falling leaves, and rain won't set off false alarms all night. Place the sensors up to roughly 328 feet out from your position, choose between 3 sensitivity ranges, and get alerted instantly through both sound and vibration on the receiver. The sensors charge right inside the receiver hub, so there's nothing extra to manage. For solo campers heading into remote territory, this is the kind of peace of mind you simply cannot put a price on. Well, actually, you can. It's $249. Which product has caught your eye so far? Drop it in the comments right now. We read every single one. Your everyday phone dies halfway through the afternoon and shatters if you sneeze on it. The Oukitel WP100 Titan was designed for an entirely different world. A massive 33,000 mAh battery delivers up to 4,459 hours of standby. That's nearly 6 months on a single charge. It carries MIL STD, 810H rating, IP68 and IP69K certification, a 200 megapixel main camera, a dedicated infrared night vision camera, and a built-in projector. 16 gigs of RAM, 512 gigs of storage, 5G capable, Gorilla Glass, 5 display, 66 watt fast charging, running Android 14. This is the ultimate survival smartphone for people who genuinely depend on their device when they're deep in the field. Nothing else on the market comes close. Sets you back $879 and worth every cent. Here's something most people never think about. Your devices are constantly broadcasting your location, your data, and your identity. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The Mission Darkness Odin Guard shuts all of that down in one zip. This military-grade Faraday backpack completely blocks Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, 5G, GPS, and RFID signals across every device you carry. 3 removable Valkyrie Faraday sleeves handle your phone, tablet, and laptop simultaneously. The pack itself features military MOLLE webbing for external gear attachment, padded shoulder straps, a waist belt for load distribution, and a hidden rain cover tucked inside. It's a fully functional tactical backpack and a portable digital panic room rolled into one. Law enforcement and military units use it for forensic evidence collection. For preppers, privacy-minded folks, and anyone serious about digital security, this belongs in the rotation, available for $450. Quick question, how many survival tools are you wearing on your body right now? If the answer is 0, fix that. The Titan Survivor Cord Survival Bracelet packs 4 functional layers into one wrist-worn package. 550-pound rated paracord, a 25-pound rated fishing line, 110-pound heat-resistant Kevlar thread, and waxed jute tinder that catches a spark even in the pouring rain. Unravel this in an actual emergency and you've got materials to start a fire, set a snare, fish for food, and make critical gear repairs. It's an entire survival kit on your wrist. Veteran-owned company, lifetime warranty included. Highest value per dollar item in this entire lineup, and it costs less than your morning coffee run. When the grid collapses and your phone has 0 signal, what exactly is your plan for getting information? The Sangean MMR-99 is the emergency radio that checks every single box. AM, FM, all 7 NOAA weather channels with public alert capability, Bluetooth connectivity, and aux input. Power it via hand crank, solar panel, or USB-C charging, and it can charge your other devices right back through a USB-A output port. The LED flashlight offers 8 modes including SOS and Morse code signaling. There's a dedicated red night vision light and an automatic emergency light that kicks on during power outages. IP55 rated, clock and alarm built in. Seriously, name one thing this radio doesn't do. This is the backbone of any legitimate emergency kit, and here at Gearify, we consider it absolutely non-negotiable. When the power's out and your radio is your lifeline, you still need the basics: fire, warmth, and the ability to cook. That starts with a reliable way to light a flame, even in terrible conditions. You've already got a ferro rod, which is smart, but sometimes you just want to strike a match and get on with it. Lifesystems Stormproof matches are wind resistant, water resistant, and each one burns for a full 20 seconds, long enough to catch even damp tinder in brutal weather. 25 matches per waterproof container with 3 strike panels included inside. These are officially recommended for the Duke of Edinburgh's Award, a program that puts young people through genuine wilderness survival challenges. That endorsement means something. Fire is the one thing you absolutely cannot afford to lose in a survival scenario, and these are cheap, absurdly reliable, and packed down to almost nothing. There is 0 reason not to have a tin in every bag. And once you've got a flame going, what if you need hot water but can't keep a fire burning? Maybe you're in a no-burn zone, maybe you're conserving fuel, maybe there's simply nothing dry enough to burn. No fire, no gas, no electricity, no problem. The 4 Patriots Sun Kettle uses concentrated solar energy to heat water up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit in roughly 45 minutes. Holds 16.9 ounces, enough for coffee, rehydrating an MRE, or preparing a hot meal, weighs just 2.65 pounds. The inner tube is shatter-resistant tempered glass housed inside a durable ABS plastic frame. No smoke, no fuel, no consumables to run out of. Ideal for no-burn camping zones and serious off-grid emergency preps where clean, quiet, self-sufficient energy is the only option. Simple concept, brilliant execution. Every time we feature this one on Gearify, people lose their minds over it. Get it for $67. Once the sun's gone, great lighting changes the entire mood and functionality of your camp. The Nest Out Lamp 1 handles that better than almost anything in its class. This dimmable LED lantern uses a stepless adjustment dial. No harsh clicking between preset modes, just smooth, precise control from a soft 10 lumens all the way up to a full 350. IP44 rated, comes with a mini tripod stand for table use, and has a carabiner loop for hanging from tents, tree branches, or the outside of your pack. Winner of the prestigious IF Design Gold Award for a reason, it's beautiful, functional, and built to take a beating. One thing to note, it's designed exclusively for the Nest Out battery system, so plan your power setup accordingly. Priced at $41. Every serious outdoors person eventually settles on one fixed blade that becomes their go-to, their default, the one they reach for without even thinking. The Morakniv Lock Black Blade is exactly that kind of knife. The handle is crafted from FSC certified bright European Ashwood, warm in the hand, naturally grippy, and gorgeous to look at. The blade, just over 1/8 of an inch thick, is recycled Swedish stainless steel with a matte black coating that creates a striking contrast against the pale wood grain. It ships with a vegetable tanned leather sheath featuring a belt loop, and it's compatible with the Morakniv dangler if you prefer a lower carry position. Sharp, balanced, and undeniably beautiful. Mora has been producing world-class working blades since 1891, and this one is living proof you don't need to spend a fortune to carry something truly excellent. Will cost you $244, and that's money well spent. "40 years of legendary toolmaking, and the Raptor Rescue might be the most critical thing Leatherman has ever put out. This 6-in-1 emergency shear was developed with direct input from trauma professionals who actually use these tools under pressure. You get heavy-duty cutting blades, a carbide glass breaker that can punch through a windshield, and a strap and ring cutter purpose-built for rescue situations. It locks securely when holstered and can be worn upside down for instant draw access. Backed by Leatherman's 25-year warranty, made in Portland, Oregon. Whether you're a first responder, an overlander, or just someone who drives a car, this tool could save a life in a roadside accident. Keep one in your glove box. Seriously. A good rescue shear gets you to the wound, but what do you do once you're staring at a deep laceration miles from any hospital? A deep cut in the backcountry is a genuine emergency. Regular adhesive bandages won't hold a serious laceration together, and stitching yourself up isn't exactly practical when your hands are shaking and you're miles from help. The Survive Zip Stitch works like a tiny zipper for your skin. Place it over the wound, zip it closed, and it aligns the wound edges precisely in 3 dimensions. No needles, no pain, no stitching required. A built-in tension release button lets you adjust pressure for comfort as swelling changes. The result is less scarring, lower infection risk, and a closure method simple enough for children and elderly people to manage on their own. FSA and HSA eligible. If your first aid kit doesn't already have one of these, fix that today. Runs you just $33. What about the person who doesn't want to carry a whole trauma bag but needs more than a knife? Someone who wants one tool that genuinely handles everything? If you had to grab one single tool on your way out the door and never look back, make it this. The BB-Tac 8 is an 8-in-1 multi-tool built 100% in America from S7 tool steel, the exact same material used in industrial cutting and demolition equipment. Heat-treated, Cerakote coated, and built to keep working long after everything else has failed. The tool gives you a hydrant wrench, spanner, hammer, axe blade, pry bar, 2 wrench sizes, and a gas shutoff. Bolt-on attachments expand it further with a shovel head, pick, hoe, and breaching pick, as seen on Surviving Man Season 4. At 17 inches long and 3 pounds, this isn't a gadget, it's a dead serious working tool designed for people who actually use their gear. Available for $199. What if your shelter worked less like a tent and more like a convertible car? That's exactly the idea behind Xeno Nest. Featuring the world's first tension control frame with fully exposed air beams, every single fabric panel zips on and off individually, making cleaning, drying, and customizing the setup ridiculously easy. Got soaked in a downpour? Unzip the panels, take them home, air dry, done. The air beams, roughly 7 inches thick, deliver legitimate structural integrity across all 4 seasons. 100% handmade, strictly limited to 50 units per campaign, and available in just 6 countries. This is a luxury camping experience that genuinely doesn't exist anywhere else. For those who want the absolute best shelter money can buy, Xeno Nest is it. If you've made it this far, tell us in the comments which of these would you actually throw in your pack tomorrow. We want to know. If there's one product on this entire list that could actually save your life, it's this one. The NAR Raid Kit V2 is a professional-grade individual first aid kit engineered specifically around the leading causes of preventable death in tactical and emergency environments. Inside, you'll find a CAT combat application tourniquet, 2 rolls of NAR compressed gauze, a 4-inch trauma dressing, a high-fin vent chest seal twin pack, nitrile gloves, and trauma shears. The Raid pouch design supports both self-aid and buddy aid scenarios. Wear it on your belt, rip it off instantly, or hand it to whoever is treating you. Multiple configurations available depending on your needs. This is the exact same gear trusted by military units and law enforcement agencies worldwide. In a real emergency, this kit is what keeps you breathing until help arrives. Get it for $168. "25 inventions, all genuinely insane, all built for people who take preparedness seriously. If this lineup hit different, smash subscribe. Gearify drops survival gear content every single week. Links for everything are sitting in the description. Stay prepared, stay sharp, and we'll catch you in the next one.